Hey, Gelly. Ala, sige. Dito sa loob. Shh. Hey. Gelly. Gelly, mahuhulog.
No.
What will you say?
Mommy, hey!
It's stuck.
It's stuck.
Oh, what will you say?
Thank you po.
Sino nagbigay niyan?
Ninong Albert.
Mm.
Ninong Albert, bye!
Mm.
Uy! The wheel is there. Hey! How do it? Oh.
How about you, Gelly? What will you say? Anong sasabihin? Hey, anong sasabihin? Ay, akin na yung car. Anong sasabihin ni Gelly?
Thank you po.
How about you?
Thank you po.
Are you happy?
Hey, I'm happy this car. I'm not. Who's
How
that
about-
car?
Who's that car?
Who's that car?
Who give that?
Si Pogi.
Hindi si Pogi.
Hey, Albert.
Yan.
Yeah.
Mm. Mm.
Stuck.
It's stuck.
Hey, look at this. Go. Wow. Go.
Tama na yan.
Ay, tama na.
Breakfast mo na.
No.
Mamaya naman.
No.
Huh? Why?
I'm bored.
Report. Mamaya naman. Mm.
And you poop today.
Oh, sige.
And
Gelly.
subscribe
Oh.
channel.
Hi guys, una.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog.
Ah.
I'm Sian and I'm playing with that car.
Who's controlling the car?
It's Sian. Sian. Hey, go backwards, Daddy. Backwards.
Is it backward? Again.
No, it's moving.
Dito, Gelly, sa loob. Gelly.
Oh. Oh.
Oh dear. Get it. Get it.
Get it. Ah. It's not. Hey. Like this. Come on. Oh. No. Let's go. Wow. What color is Sian's car?
What color is Ian's car?
Red. I want red.
How about
Yelly's
Gelly?
car blue. Yelly's car is blue.
Are you happy?
I'm happy with that red car.
Oh, malalaglag yan. Sige.
It's not gonna work.
Oh, baba mo. Baba. Oh dear. Get it, Gelly. Get it.
Oh. Come on, Yelly. Let's go inside, Yelly. Let's go. Hey, who's that remote control?
Who?
It's Sian. Hey, we need to use there.
Oh, sige. Malalaglag yan. Oh, oh. Oh.
Oh!
Mabobroke yan.
Mapapasa yan. Ah! Oh dear, Gelly. Poor car.
Whoa! Whoa!
Poor car.
Hey, let's play Mother's house.
Dito sa loob.
Hey, backing up, backing up. Whoa!
Dito sa loob.
Yeah.
What happened?
Oh. Whoa!
Gelly, mahulog ka, Gelly. Come here. Uy, dito sa loob.
Dito!
Get inside. Ay, tama na. Nagkipit na. Dito sa loob.
Watching naman si ko, mami. Watch. Crash! Mami!
O, dito mo i-crash sa loob.
Crash!
Dito sa loob.
Question number 2, Mommy.
Mm-mm.
Yeah. Wow. Mommy, the car not to cross. Timbang. Look at this.
Gelly, look. Oh, control mo na.
One.
Crash!
And crash. Mommy.
Oh, it's crash. Again.
Going. Oh. 2, 3, Mommy.
Oh, yan na.
1,
2, 3, go! Ah!
Mommy again. 1, 2, 3, go. We're not backing up. Crash.
Crash.
Ah!
It's crash.
Ah! Hey, Daddy, go. Who said go? Hey, change. No, I want car. Hey. Hey, we don't ever. I'm happy these cars. I'm happy these cars. Where's Princess car?
What's up?
Gelly, dito sa laog. Ay,
Gas na. Wow! Ang parang pa rin!
gusto niyang parampay. Hey, dito sa laog. Ah, wala na, Gelly. It's broken.
Yo!
Gelly, get it.
Okay, I'm half. I don't know what this is. Daddy, get it. To the ring.
Oh, dali, dito sa loob.
No, they're blue.
Oh, get it here, Gelly. Dali.
Daddy, get it now. Quick. It's to the ring.
Gelly, it's dirty. Dito sa laog.
I think what's wrong with Daddy's car? Oh.
Hmm.
What? What are doing, Sam Gelly?
What are you doing?
Playing a big giant car. Who's that car?
What's that car?
Sam.
Who gave that?
Ninong Albert.
What will you say?
Thank you, po. Hey, we need to use the battery. There's the battery on under that car. Ready, steady, go!
Gelly, lang sa laog. Ay, bahala ka dyan. Bye, Gelly. Bye. Dito sa loob. Dito sa loob. Hey. Shh. Get inside. Yan. Wow.